Yo, what's up, guys? Day Trading Knockout here. Back at you with another video. Today, I got a quick close of the day analysis. Today, it's April 9th, and glad to be here. Let's just get into the video again. I don't got an introduction type of slogan yet. I don't want to sound too cringe, but for real though, let's get to the technical analysis part, guys. So, real quick, I'm just gonna give you a brief rundown. So, real quick, let me read over my notes on what it is I've noticed this past Tuesday and Monday. So, basically, to summarize everything, I'm gonna let you know. I'll just tell you right now. For the past 2 days, we have closed around the close of the Friday session. So, if you notice right here. Let me see here. This is the Friday session right here. So we closed at 518.4. We hovered around here all day on Monday, and then Tuesday we had a big go down. We rejected, and then we closed pretty close to that as well. So overall, at the moment, the setups that I plotted out from the weekend analysis are the same. But again, before we get into the actual setups to avoid and setups to look out for, I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to real quick run down a few things and show you on the chart. So. For Tuesday specifically, which is today, we had a decently substantial amount of movement to the downside. And as more time goes on, we're seeing that the Thursday breakdown was nothing more than a news influence overreaction. As you see here, this right here, the stuff that made everybody panic. Well, not everybody. Some people didn't care as much. Like me, I wasn't too worried when I saw it. I understand it did damage to the market structure. But at the moment, from what I'm seeing right now, obviously you can see due to the news from what I heard with the war in Israel and stuff like that. I'm sorry if I'm stupid and if I got the wrong war. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not too um, politically correct or not politically correct, but like informed when it comes to news. I don't pay attention to that. I'm too busy with my day to day life. Sorry, guys. I'm guilty of it. I'm an idiot. But nevertheless, seriously, as we're seeing right here, it was nothing more than news influence at the moment. Because right now, what I'm seeing here, it looks more like from a technical analysis perspective, it looks like a look below and fail, and we're just in a trading range like we previously were. So that's what I view with that. And just note that today's session, to validate a little more of the look below and fail type of chart on the 1 hour that I'm showing here. Look at this wick right here. As we move down, because on the daily, on not the daily, but the 5 minute chart, when you look at it, right, it was a big, pretty decent move, especially with the tiny gap up. Like, look, oh, sorry guys, my chart's all messed up. One second, one second, one second. Yeah, this right here. So look at that, guys. It was a pretty big, solid move to the downside. We opened the high of the day. This little wick right here was 520.75. We moved a full, like a little over $6, guys. So that was a decent sized move on the day. But nevertheless, we had a big rejection. You can really see it here on the 1 hour chart right here. So that validates a little bit with the look below and fail setup that I'm talking about from a technical perspective. And the only caution that I have for the Bulls, even though we currently look like we're in a trading range, no substantial move above the high of the trading range or the low of the trading range, which is currently the Thursday breakdown low. The only thing is the fact that we're not having any substantial movement to the upside either, and it does look like there was a decent amount of resistance with this right here, this selling body candle on this. So at the moment, we just got to wait for more data to see who uh, might gain confidence. Whether if there won't be any confidence at the moment, because trading ranges, sometimes you can be stuck there for as long as a month or 2 months. But nevertheless, just wait for more data, see who's going to gain more confidence. Look for key levels that happen in the market structure that show confidence for the Bulls or confidence for the Bears, and be wary of, since we're in a trading range at the moment, beware of any breakout entries. So if we get to the highs or to lows, just a little FYI. Most breakout entries and trades tend to fail. So in my opinion, whenever it comes to a trading range, look for a higher low or a lower high at the high or low of this on the 1 hour chart. Anything else, you shouldn't really be too uh, biased for a breakout, and you should be looking more for a look above if we get to the highs, or look below and fail type of setup, and look to get involved there if we don't get a 1 hour high or low or a 1 hour lower high, if that makes sense. Now, real quick rundown with the actual setups. So first off, setups to avoid. Let's go over, because defense comes first in boxing and in trading as well. Don't chase the market. Don't take trades without the proper 15-minute higher time frame chart confirmation. Have higher standards for the trades I take, and don't be too biased either way for the Bulls or the Bears. And the actual setups to look for, again, it's the same as what I plotted out on the weekend analysis. Um, it's going to be bullish scenario number one is look for a 15-minute higher low above 519.61, and we would target 521.20 and then 522.20. So again, let's put that right there, 519.61. 519.61. There we go. At or above. And then the bear scenario number one is look for a 15-minute lower high below 517.67, and we would look to target 515.37 and then 514.37. So let's get that right there. And I know people have had questions with me in regards to why I do pick the specific setups I do and targets that I do. So if you have any questions, please let me know, guys. And lastly, sorry, 517.67, my bad. But again, you have any questions for my setups, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And last, at the moment, that's all we can really look for, because if we open any lower, we'll be a gap down. Something not to plan or plot out tomorrow, but to look out for in the future is look for a 15-minute lower high below five. I'm sorry, actually not a 15-minute lower high. At the moment now, if we do retrace lower, look for a 1 hour lower high, and then the next day, if we get that set up, then you can look for 15-minute time frame entries, and the same vice versa if we just go up here. And again, adjust your entries and your setups if we open outside of the previous day high or the previous day low, and create gap up or gap down scenarios and potential trading setups. But besides that, guys, don't want to take up too much of your time. Just wanted to get to the basics and get over that. Glad y'all are here. Hope you all enjoyed the content. Please critique me in any way. I Even though I make silly videos and I seem kind of dumb, I seem like a dumbass. I genuinely want to let you know that I do try to become the best and most competent trader I possibly can be. Because without me growing and getting critiques from other people, I can't grow as a trader, and I can't help you grow either. So I want to help you. So please help me by letting me know how I can do better. But besides that, guys, day trading knockouts here, David. And let's be cringe for a second. Knock out the markets, guys. Bye, guys. Have a good night. Stay green tomorrow and be careful.